Use a heavy-duty, multi-point contact strike plate and long screws to make your door far more resistant to kick-in attacks. Choose a strike plate made from 1/4-inch steel or thicker and with multiple contact points that spread force across the jamb. A plate advertised as multi-point with 9 anchor positions is ideal because it engages more wood instead of concentrating impact on a single stud. Remove the existing strike plate and check the jamb condition. If the jamb is rotten or trimmed thin, you need to repair or sister the jamb with a solid block of 2x4 or oak before reinstalling the new plate. Use screws that are at least 3 inches long and drive them through the strike plate and into the structural stud or the reinforced jamb block so the screws carry the force into framing, not just the trim or drywall. Stagger the screw pattern so you engage different framing members when possible and pre-drill pilot holes to avoid splitting the wood and to ensure screws seat fully. When installing a multi-point plate, align all contact points with the latch and deadbolt. You may need to chisel the jamb slightly so the plate sits flush, and test the latch action repeatedly as you tighten screws to prevent binding. Finally, pair the upgraded strike plate with a high-quality deadbolt and ensure the door edge and hinges are also reinforced because the strike plate only protects the lock side and attackers will shift to the weakest link if hinges or the door core are vulnerable. Common mistakes include using only the thin original strike plate that came with the lock and assuming the deadbolt alone is sufficient. The fix is to replace it with a thick multi-point plate and 3-inch screws that reach framing. Another frequent error is installing long screws into hollow or damaged jamb without reinforcing the jamb. Remedy that by adding a solid wood filler or sistered 2x4 behind the jamb so screws have real structure to bite into. People also forget to check hinge strength and spacing, which lets an attacker simply remove the door from its hinges. Add hinge bolts or longer hinge screws and consider 3-inch screws in hinge plates so both sides of the door are secured. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find trusted local contractors to install reinforced strike plates and other security upgrades, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with nearby projects that match their skills. We also host a discussion community where we share installation tips, vendor experiences, and before and after photos so both homeowners and contractors learn from real-world results.